How was the feeling katong the time that you have been seen yourself on television reading the news at that time?
But, again, yun siya na opportunity, it was a very big blessing for me, no, kay really everyone has the opportunity to become a news reader or a news anchor. So it was fun katong 2 years na na-stint na ako as news co-anchor with Tech Ocampo sa Testigo. I started actually with a segment katong Halalan 2010. And for 2 years na expose ko sa media, nindot pud siya because ako personally, to be honest, dili ko tig paminaw og balita, dili ko kanang tig basag balita. Pero during my 2 years stint sa GMA, kabalo kay ko sa tanan mga nagakahitabo sa syudad sa Davao ug beyond because every day kami ang tigbasa sa balita. So I miss those times na kabalo ko unsa ang mga nagakahitabo sa ato ang current events.